Hello friends, hope you guys are doing great. You will need a cup like this. After taking a glass like this, you have to cut it into a desired manner with the help of a cutter. Now after cutting it, you can place a straw inside it in this specific manner. Now attach these two eyes and lips too. See how it works. Now you have to take this paper and start folding it into this manner. After folding it like this, you simply have to see that how perfectly we have drawn this. Take strips of different color and different sizes. Attach them accordingly. After attaching them, you have to roll this yellow strip in this specific manner and cut it like this. Cut these hairs or cut these eyes like this of this snail and you are done with this snail. Take a sheet like this and start making this shape. After making the face, you have to attach a straw inside it and see how perfectly this elephant has been made. For your next art, take a circle and cut it into a cone-like shape. Now attach some scary teeth in this specific manner and yes, you are done. Now you have to take this furry thing and after using this, you have to cut it into specific designs like this. Make these shapes and attach them with the help of a glue. Attach this fur and this black shape is ready. Now note the dimensions and kindly note the movement of your hands and then you simply have to make this. Take a ruler and then mark the dimensions. Now apply this strip on it and after applying this you can simply see how perfectly it looks. Now roll this inside it and this weapon is going to be prepared. See how it is chopping all the things. Take a yellow sheet and after taking that sheet, you have to roll it into a specific design like this. Now fold the paper as shown and kindly note the movement for getting the desired result. This spiral is being made. Take another sheet and start cutting it into the shape like this. After doing that, you have to note the movement like this. Now you can see that how perfectly this board has been made. Use your fingertip and your board is done. Let's test it. Take a ruler and make this. After making it, you simply have to cut it into this specific manner. Now you have to make a heart shape thing like this and you are done with this art. Thanks for watching.